This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because you love me.
Alright? Okay. So now there are so many reasons why abantu abaninzi befuna utshata. Okanye bafuna utshata kuba befuna upleza abazali. Omnye ufuna utshata okanye kwi-pressure komzali. Befuna utshata nini? Ifuna abantu bazibulala. Unkosikazi efuna hayi ngabangakabhubhi nalo mama. Yazi nyani mandithini? Manditshate. Some they want to marry because they want to please parents. You need to check your motive and get rid of motivation as against it, so that you maintain motivation as a right. Some they want to get married because of self-dependent. Some they want to marry because of the father figure from Bangladesh. It is kind of a dad. You never know. People marry for different reasons. Some they want to get married because of financial reasons. They are very to cheap. I'm not going to get a company. I'm going to tell I'm telling you, we can make it to have a house in top town. They want to marry because of the spiritual enhancement. What do you mean by spiritual enhancement? Long to often child so that has over the Pagama Coscas backbone. Kumana was it away. Kumana got the same goes, you know, Panama Coscas more about thing there or look at the and then Coscas. Now, if you know that about Pagama Coscas backbone, you understand? Buy it just for the sake of it, that's it. How we about it, but child because of the age. I don't talk about it right only to jump, but I started because I didn't. Have you noticed that I'm kind of 19, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26%, 28, 29, you know, choose that like class. One figure the indoor, dear man. You are having talent to me. I say, where I come on, you see, and I know that thing. Like, book me, hey, now, most of what you got 35, 36, 40. Yes, a book about that. I am morning class, I will get in there. You know, to the long time, that's all I'm saying. You know, I don't get around, set Muka. You understand? So I'm like, they married for those reasons, but it doesn't ever compromise this type of desire.
I found love in you, and I've learned to love me too.